Hi everyone. I thought I had made a video earlier and now I have to make another one. Oh boy. I'm distracted. It's supposed to be bad weather here and I guess I'll let my distractions get me from not videoing the last one. So this is probably about 15 inches long. And I'm going to wrap this stone I cut. And we're going to hope I video this one. I can see it on the screen now, so I know so far I'm videoing. Hopefully my battery holds up. I thought, well darn, did my battery die? No, I didn't even turn it on. That's what I get for being distracted, ain't it? I can't believe I did that. And it was a pretty one. I used 18 gauge on it. This is like 24 gauge. I'll show you the one that you missed out on. I'm sorry. I cut that stone. I'll put a little video up of it, but yeah, I cut that stone and did that in 18 gauge. I can't believe I didn't video it. Oh boy. All right. Yeah, I just hope that we get to work next week because they're saying we're going to have really bad weather. And we worked ahead this week trying to make sure that we didn't get behind. I had so much to do yesterday that I was going to make videos yesterday and I didn't get any made. This wire is soft. So I'm using 20 gauge half round because I don't have any of the other sizes. Use what you have. I'll wrap this one. All right, there we go. I wrote a little children's book that I have up on Amazon. Actually, I've got two up on Amazon now. I wrote one for the adoption story of my cats, whenever I got them. Well, when we got them. one I got from a friend of mine, and the other one I got from a shelter, and we weren't even planning on getting one that day. So, yeah, it's a little bedtime story for children. So, I hope y'all get a chance to check it out. I'll have it in the description. Yeah. We're going to put this one like that. Sort of squeeze it around it. Go around that a couple times just to hold it. Now, yeah, they salted the roads down. I don't think they got the one in front of the house, but they got the main roads salted and the interstate. And all the main roads are salted or sprayed with whatever that stuff is they spray. So I'm hoping that they got our road, but I didn't see them go past it, so. Whenever you live in a rural area, they don't get all the roads. There. That wire bends a whole lot better than the 20 gauge. I hear the dogs next door howling. I guess it's them. It might be coyotes. They have huskies next door. They're probably right at home now. So I like cold weather. Alright, I'm going to take 4 of them. And I'm going to split these. For right now, at least. No, I'm going to put them together, all over here. Try something different. Take all these. And go through here. My hand's cramping. I can't believe I didn't get that one videoed. one's going in the wrong. There, now, I think I've got it. It wasn't going to lay right. Which one is that one? There. Well, I hope y'all are warm and have enough firewood, or don't lose power if you don't use fire, or have enough of everything you need, because they say this storm's going to be bad. Which you never know, because the weatherman's half wrong half the time, so. I don't think they know half of what they're talking about anyway. Not just the weatherman. Catch them wrong so many times. You get to where you question what they're talking about. Oh boy. I'll try not to even watch the news anymore. Alright, what are we going to do here? We're going to take this and make a swirl. Take it up there, and we're going to go around the back side and just tuck it in. I hope my tarp trick works outside, because I took a tarp and I laid it on our front porch all the way down the steps. Here, probably about there. there. Now, wrong one. Alright, yeah. There we go. That's our green tiger's eye. Alright, y'all. There we go. There's our green tiger's eye. I think I've got it good there. And, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. If you get a chance, check out my links in the description. There'll be a link for my children's book and different things that I have and other channels that I have. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all try to stay warm out there, stay safe, and stay dry, and hopefully we'll all have power in the morning. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.